In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install add-ins from the Office Store and manage them in PowerPoint. Add-ins are small tools that extend what PowerPoint can do, from design helpers to productivity boosters. I'll show you how to find and install them from the Office Store, where to access them once they're installed, and how to manage, disable, or remove them when you need to tidy things up. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint and heading to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is where Microsoft places the controls for bringing new tools into your slides. Click Get Add-ins. That opens the Office Store, which is the catalog of trusted extensions that work inside PowerPoint. Depending on your version, this button may also appear as Store or simply Add-ins. It leads to the same place. If you're using a work or school account, your organization may limit what's available, so your list might look a bit different. Use the search box to find what you need. Type a keyword, then select an add-in to view its details. Take a moment to read the description, check the ratings, and review any permissions. Some add-ins are free, others may require a subscription or sign-in. When you're ready, click Add to install. If a confirmation prompt appears, accept it. PowerPoint will add the tool to your account and make it available in your current presentation. To access installed add-ins, go to the Home tab and select Add-ins. You'll see the add-ins you've added. Click one to launch it. Many open in a task pane on the right. Others add buttons or commands. If you don't see it immediately, open the Add-ins menu again or switch slides to refresh the ribbon. Keep in mind that the exact placement can vary by add-in. When it's time to manage your add-ins, go back to the Home tab, choose Add-ins, then select More Add-ins and open My Add-ins. This view lists everything you've installed. Select the add-in you want to change and look for the Manage drop-down. Use this to disable an add-in if you want to turn it off temporarily or remove it if you no longer need it. Disabling is great for troubleshooting performance issues without losing your settings. Removing cleans up your workspace, and you can always return to the Office Store later to add it again. That's it. Open PowerPoint, use Insert to get add-ins, search and add what you need, access them from Home under Add-ins, and manage them through More Add-ins and My Add-ins using the Manage dropdown. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more powerful PowerPoint.